to show you a wireless TV headphone set, the Avantree Opera. These headphones easily connect to your TV to enhance your listening experience, whether watching a show, maybe a movie, or even gaming. These have an audio bypass that allows you to connect to a TV that is already being used by another audio device, such as a soundbar. Let's take a look at the box. Here's the box that it comes in. On the side it mentions the 3 equalizer settings. It is plug and play. There is no lip sync delay, up to 35 hours of playtime, and pass support. The headphones and transmitter are included. And on the back it talks about how it's a high quality premium audio with 3 equalizer settings. Alright, so I've already opened the box and have charged the headphones and the receivers here, but let's see what else there is. Alright, inside you do have your user manual. They do have a step-by-step tutorial on how to put everything together, set it up. Product information, warranty card. There are other wires here. Depending on your TV setup, this does go with a lot of different types of TVs. So to charge the headphones, it's very simple. The transmitter on top has 3 prongs, and you set them gently on top, at the top of the band where it would go on your head. Very easy, simple to take off. You don't have to worry about anything clicking in. The headphones themselves are very, very comfortable. They're cushioned with soft leather. And they are lightweight and easily adjustable. The ear cups do swivel as well, so you can easily store them or put them down if you need to, and you're not going to have to mess them up in any way. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, there's a large helpful instructions booklet that answers most any installation question you might have, and it provides a website link for an installation video, and an email and phone number for customer support. The instructions are very detailed. Pictures are included to help guide you with any sort of help or assistance you may need. So here's a look at the receiver, and it does have the 3 prongs that I mentioned earlier where you do place your headset on top to charge. On the front you have your off, on, and pair options. You just slide it through, and on the side there is a guide to tell you what the light is around the base. The base does light up to tell you what's going on. So an orange light simply means the headphones are charging. Green obviously means charging is complete. Blue means that stuff is connected. Red and blue means that you're waiting for a Bluetooth device to be paired. Solid white means the audio signal is okay. And flashing means, there's something wrong with the signal. So this is where I just read out all the information I just told you. It says it on the device itself, so if you forget, it's on there. On the back, I'll show you what the back looks like. On the top, you got the mic input. The mic does come inside the box as well, so if you want to use this one, it's there. There's the digital optical Toslink port. There, actually no, the one beneath that was that's the bigger one. Right above that is the aux 3.5 millimeter port. Good for if you want to plug in a stereo or something and you want to listen to music. That's a great way to do that. You have your RCA ports here as well, and a larger aux port. The device is powered by a USB-C charging port and a USB cable. Allows you to easily plug it in anywhere. Alright, so you might ask yourself why you would use these. You can use the TV, watch the TV without disturbing anybody else. Whether it's late at night while someone is sleeping or when you have someone else in the house trying to study or work, you can watch and listen without bothering anybody else. With more people now working and studying from home, it is a wonderful way to be able to watch television or movies without making a noisy environment for others. They're also useful for those with hearing impairments, such as, senior citizens. The volume of the audio can be customized for the person wearing the headphones. So I'm going to follow the instructions, listen to the manual, and set this up, and I'll report back with the results. Alright, so I set everything up. For my particular TV, which is a newer smart TV, I just used the digital optical out, followed all the instructions. I have it set up to where it can play sound out while you're listening to the audio in here, which I'm listening to the Weather Channel right now. The sound is great. You're able to adjust everything on the headphones. I'll show you the headphones in a moment. But this is definitely a very, very easy way of, being able to coexist in a room with other people, maybe while they're studying, but you're also able to do your own thing. And it was all very easy to set up. Alright, so the headphones, obviously they're nice and black and they tell you which ear goes where. But you do have different buttons on each. On the right headphone, you do have your volume settings, plus, minus, play, pause. Whether you're turning the headphones off or on, or you're ready to pair, you flip this switch. And then you can charge them that way too if you want. You can, on the left one, you can press the equalizer a certain amount of times. There's a helpful guide there for you. You can click it to music, dialogue, or extra bass, which that's usually the one I pick since I like bass. You can mute the speaker off or on, or you can plug it in to an aux. But that's just a quick look at these. So that's a look at the Avantree Opera headphones and transmitter. Make sure you check the description section below for more information, the link to the product. We do appreciate your likes and comments, so make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and have a great day. Thank you.